Hey everyone, today we're going to make hot tuna melt sandwiches. Really easy recipe, fast and quick. So please hit that subscribe button for more of my quick to the point videos. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We have 2 cans of in-water tuna. We're going to put these in our bowl. Next we have 1 small onion chopped up finely. I'm going to add that in. Next we have 2 celery stalks chopped up finely. We're going to add a little salt and pepper to taste, about half a teaspoon. Next we're going to put in mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, whatever you like. This is kind of to taste. I'm going to put nearly half a cup. We're going to mix it up and see. If you want it creamier, you're going to put in more. If you want it less creamy, then put in less. There we go. We got it nice and mixed up. Next we're going to put these on some buns. Alright, we're going to use some Hawaiian buns. You can use hamburger buns or bread, whatever you like. So we're going to take our tuna salad, put it right on top. Next, we like American cheese. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to use half a piece since these are kind of small buns. And we're going to close that up. Take some foil. And I'm going to wrap it up just like that. And we're going to put these on a pan, and we'll put them in the oven. So we just finished putting the tuna salad on sandwiches. We got 9 of them. We had some leftover buns, so we just made some cheese sandwiches. We're going to put this in the oven. That's at 350 degrees. And for 15 minutes. So see you in a bit. Alright, so we put these in for 20 minutes, and we're going to open one up and check it out. Alright, let's unwrap this and see how, look at that melting cheese. Smells amazing. Alright, cut it open and see. So there you go, nice and melty. Let's give this a taste test. Alright, let's try this out. That's very good. The cheese is all melted and all those flavors come together. Onion and the celery have a little bit of crunch, so great texture there. These are really good. Give them a try, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. See you next time.